Hi everyone, this is Jay Medona, Assistant Professor of Computer Science and Engineering Department, Dr. MGR Educational Research Institute. The subject name is Operating System and the topic we are going to discuss in this video lecture is System Calls and System Program. So system call, what is a system call? So actually when a computer is turned on, the program that executes first is the operating system. It includes who logs in, how disks are used and how the disk with other computer systems. All these operations, how they talk with the other computer systems, all these operations are done when the computer is turned on. In operating system we use is called Unix. The way that the programs talk to the operating system is system calls. In Unix operating system, we are considering, for example, Unix operating system, the program talks to the operating system through system calls. A system call looks like a procedural call, but it is different. It is a request to the operating system to perform some activity. These system calls are expensive. System calls are system dependent. Knowing this, it would not be a good idea to directly use system calls when portability cannot be neglected. So this system call provides an interface between the user and the operating system. Between the user program and the operating system, the system call provides an interface. Actually, operating system acts as an interface between user and a hardware. But here, to contact the operating system, the user provides the system call. So why we need an interface between a user and a hardware? So between the user and the hardware, the operating system acts as an interface. If there is no operating system is present, the user has to write what statement is to be executed and a separate coding for accessing the input-output devices. Whereas in the presence of operating system provides this interface where the user can directly contact the hardware. So here, between the user and the operating system, the system call is used to interact with the other hardwares or other softwares which is involved in the operation. So system call acts as an interface between user and operating system, whereas operating system is an interface between user and hardware. So this is the structural diagram of system call. Here envelope, that is a system call which is made as an envelope to contact the operating system, and page fault is managed by memory management, and disk drive and disk queue is managed by disk interrupt, and scheduler is managed by clock interrupt. So this is a program diagrammatic representation. Here in this, the program execution happens in two modes. One is user mode and the kernel mode. In user mode, the user cannot access any hardware resource, whereas in kernel mode, it can access hardware resources like RAM and printer. When a program needs any hardware resources, it needs to make a call to the kernel that is the operating system. Due to the security reasons, user applications are not given access to access the hardware resources. When they need to do any input or output operations or requires a memory, it requests operating system to do all these operations. To provide the security, it is not directly allowed to access any input-output devices or memory. Only operating system is asked or requested to perform all these operations. This request is made through the system call. This request is made through the system call. So the next one is, what are the types of system call? There are 5 types: process control, file management, device management, information management, and communication management. So in process management, these system calls deals with the processes. So the first one is the process control. Here the system call deals with the processes. End or abort a process, load or execute a process, create or terminate a process, get process attributes, set process attributes, wait for time, wait event, signal event, allocate and free memory. So these are all the operations which has happened under process control. The next one is file management. These system calls are responsible for file management, creating a file, deleting a file, opening and closing a file, reading or writing or reposition of a file, set and get file attributes. So these are all about file management. The next one is device management. Here a process may need several resources to execute, that is maybe a main memory, disk drivers, accessing a file, input output devices and so on. If these resources are free, they will be allocated to processes. Otherwise, the process has to wait until these resources are available. These system calls are responsible for device management. Request device, release device, read and write in devices, set device attributes, get device attributes, logically attach or detach any devices. So these are all the operations involved in device management. So the next one is the information management. These system calls handle informations and it transfers between the OS and the user program. Most systems have a system call to return the current date and time, the number of current users, the versions of operating system, the amount of free memory or disk space and so on. So here get time and set time, get date and set date, get system data, set system data, get process and set process. These are some of the system calls used under information management. The next one is communication management. Here the system calls are useful for inter-process communication. Inter-process communication is further subdivided into two things: message passing model and shared memory model. Create, delete communication connections, send, receive messages, transfer status information, attach and detach remote devices. So these are all about system calls. The next we are going to see about system programs. The next one is system program. System programs provides a convenient environment for program development and execution. They can be divided into file management, status information, file modification, programming, loading and execution, programming, loading, support, communication, application programs. So most of the users' point of view, they use the operating systems defined by the system programs and not the actual system calls. System calls is not used mostly and only the system programs are used for the convenient environment for program development and execution environment it provides. So these are all about the system calls and system programs. Thank you for listening.